Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use advanced fill in Excel. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I've done right here. Now, where can you find Excel? You can find Excel in Microsoft Store. So launch your Microsoft Store, and in the store, go ahead and type in Excel to look for Excel. Now, after doing that, it's going to take you right into the Excel itself. So follow through with the on-screen instructions to download Excel. After downloading Excel, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to use advanced fill in Excel. I'm going to be focusing on this particular aspect of the sheet. So here we have names. You have first name, you have last name, first initials, and last initials. Let's say in this first name category, I just want to add all the first names of these people here, and in this last name, I just want to add all their last names, and I want to add all their first initials, and I also have add all their last initials. Now I cannot do this manually, especially if I have a large data. So all I need to do is to head over to this first name cell. So that's this first name, so that should be Y2. So after clicking on that, I'm going to type in the first name of this person, and this person is Sarah. So that should be the first name for Sarah. So after doing that, go to the next cell. So click on the next cell, and after clicking on the next cell, at the top corner here where you have file, home, insert, draw, page layout, and to help, go ahead and click on data. And after clicking on data, you're going to have to search for flash to fill. So this is text column, this is flash to fill. So click on flash to fill, and you see over here Microsoft Excel has actually helped you to fill in everything in the entire column. So this is the first name for this person from John down to Nam. Now I can repeat the same process for the last name. I'm going to click on this box and enter Jakes. And now that I'm in Jakes, I can click on Jakes and head over to data and click on flash to fill, and everybody's last name is going to be entered automatically. So head over to first initial. So the first initial I'm going to say is S. So that's for Sarah. So I'm going to uncheck that. I'm going to click on that box again and click on the next box. It has to be the second. So go ahead and click on flash fill, and everything is going to be flashed. So it necessarily do not have to be the second. I'm so sorry about that. It necessarily you don't have to click on the second. Yeah, you can click on any of the box and everything is going to be added automatically. How do I know? So head over to last initial, and in the first you're going to have to enter the last initial. Let's say the last initial is J, so that's J. So instead of the next box, I'm just going to have to head over to, let's say, the second to the last box. I'm going to click on that and click on flash to fill, and you see everybody's last initial has been added automatically. So that's pretty much the process. It's quite fun. This is how you can use advanced fill in Excel using the flash to fill option. Now I can go over the tutorial, or the flash fill option rather. Now I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.